here's our 43 by 48 folding cart, and you can see the sides on it with the sliders on it. It also has the welded wire screen on the two sides and on the back of it to help keep plants from falling out and that. The shelves, they just simply slide out from it there and drop back in here into the slot there. And the latch up here holds it from when the shelves are all out so that it doesn't fold out with it. But it also has the springs on the bottom to help keep it locked up. It has 4 swivel 2" by 5" Wellmaster casters on it. So what I'm going to do is we're going to show you how exactly we fold this cart up. So as I mentioned, the 2 spring latches that are down there, we will pull that out and then just open it up slightly and lift up. And then you just fold one side in